What are you doing over here? Huh? What are you doing over here?
I guess y'all know that those girls are direct descendants of the Bruce.
What
You know, the one that was in Braveheart?
Yeah, I'm a descendant of them. I have it officially traced back.
What are you doing?
We probably could write in and
What are you doing?
what do they call it?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at that mouth.
Dividend?
So we got teeth in there and they hurt. They're coming in. Yeah. Yeah.
We ought to do that and put it in the college
For the girls. Well, I have a cousin that he's my
Oh my goodness! Oh, it's just too much. Oh. Oh.
She looks over at Randy to get her started. Come on. And she's just grinning.
Oh.
Say, I'm feeling better.
Goofy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Randy.
Ah.
That is so cute. Okay, Randy. Come on, Randy. Get me going. Okay. She looks at Randy and gets Randy to laugh at her. And then she laughs. And then she looks at her mama.
Goofy girl. How are those teeth coming along, huh? Are they coming up? Or no, those will be coming down. Are they coming down? Nuh-uh. They are coming down. Yes, they are. They're coming down. All four at one time, it looks like. Yeah. But it's good. They'll all be done.
Okay, Randy.